Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. If you are here for the first time, my name is Kathy and this is my naughty Tweety bird. You see that? Arguing with me all the time. In today's video, I'm so excited to bring to you some cute DIYs with Dollar Tree succulents. I've been picking them up here and there whenever I see a cute piece. Picks and clips and little pots. And it's time to do something with these. And I figure I'll take you guys along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing because the moment you hit that little red button, you become my bestie and then we are in touch. You don't miss any of my future videos. Tweety, get off the camera. All right, let's get started.
Let's start with the wreath. You can get a base at any of your local craft stores. Variety of succulents you can find at a Dollar Tree. And a variety of greenery, like eucalyptus. This one is from Dollar Tree, another shade from Walmart. This big bush I found at the Hobby Lobby. No, I didn't pay the $18 for it. Got it on sale for $4.50. And as you can see, this is more than five $1 bushes from Dollar Tree, and it gives me a variety of lengths too. I also like these little greenery bouquets from Dollar Tree. They might come in handy. And finally, we're going to need a little bit of burlap ribbon. You can find it at Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. You know, just a natural look I'm going for here. I'm starting with a bow, very simple bow. I'm going to use the wider burlap. I think it's 4 inches, so I'm just measuring 12-inch tail, pinching, measuring 12 inches, folding it in half. That's a 6-inch loop. Then another 12 inches folded in half. That's another 6-inch loop. And cutting off the tail, tying in the middle with a piece of floral wire. Very simple, regular bow. If you're using a thinner ribbon, I think you might want to double up on the loops, but I really want just a simple flowy look, just like so. Don't forget to cut the fishtails by folding the ribbon in half and cutting diagonally towards the wired edge, just like so. Next, you're gonna tie your bow to the wreath wherever you want. I decide to put mine around 8 o'clock. And then you cut apart your greenery and you insert it around the bow. Insert your stems along the grain of the grapevine. And you notice that I insert the longer pieces where the tails are. I want to create that drooping effect. Next, I want to add the 3 focal pieces, the little pots. I'm going to add one over here towards the top, another one around the middle, and each facing a slightly different angle, so when the wreath hangs, you can enjoy from all different sides. And then I insert some eucalyptus around the pots. And this is from Walmart. The lighter shade is from Dollar Tree. You see how amazing that looks, all different shades of green. And now we are going to insert those 2 succulents in between the pots. And you notice, again, different color, different texture creates so much interest. Just bend it the way you like it. I forgot to add that I'm using Gorilla Glue sticks here. They are really strong and I do not worry about this falling apart, but if you are, go ahead, use a little bit of floral wire around each succulent as well. You could do that. And now 2 spiky ones. These are clips, so you can actually clip it and see how you like it. Maybe a little bit like this. Isn't that great? Look at all that texture and so much interest, right? I love it. If you have any holes, you cut apart a little more greenery and just fill it in. And then finish it off with a couple accent pieces like these tiny little purple flowers. I love this simple, natural look. I'm going to enjoy it year round. If you like it too, please give me those little pot emojis. Next, we are going to make a wall vase. And I'm so happy to find this vase at a Dollar Tree. Here's a barcode if you want to look it up online. Amazing find for $1. They cost so much more elsewhere. And then you're going to need a succulent pick or a few, depending how you want to arrange this. I want to add some other foliage to make it interesting. And again, those little flowers from the Dollar Tree. Can't you tell I just love these? Oh, and a pool noodle for floral foam because that's just more cost efficient. First of all, I cannot tell you how annoyed I am with this sticker. Who puts this huge sticker with so much glue on the front of the vase? I just can't. I tried the nail polish remover and finally WD-4 did the job. Still not perfect. So I decided to cover it with a little wall sticker from a Dollar Tree, which I think brings the cute little accent here anyway. Next, I cut the pool noodle to size, and it's a little bit too thick. I don't want the vase to explode. So I just cut off a little bit from the back. You see? Perfect fit. And now I just start inserting my flowers. I got this drooping flower from Michael's on sale. I'm adding it over here on the side. I think it gives a nice effect. You can also find some drooping flowers at the Dollar Tree, like the amaryllis. I don't throw out the leaves. I think they bring extra interest, so I'm going to insert that somewhere over here as well. And then I cut apart everything else that I have, and I just inserted in the taller grasses on the side, then an accent with the flower succulent on the other side, and little accents of purple flowers here and there. And I think that looks cute. And for the final project, my absolute favorite find from the Dollar Tree, these 3 stacking drawers that I found for $1 a piece. So exciting. I'm going to make an arrangement for you. We start off by adding the foam to each drawer. And notice I add a little bit above the drawer because I want to be able to insert the succulents from any angle, especially to the front. You see that? And then I glue everything in. I'm going to use old shot glasses to raise up the drawers a little bit and stack them up just like so. If you don't have any, you can buy them at a Dollar Tree. Plastic ones would work as well. But before I stack them up, I cover them fully with the moss. And I love the mossy look. I think just the moss alone would be so pretty. I love the natural look. And then you can stack them up. You can do it any way that you like. I'm doing it off center, like it's not planned, just spontaneous like that. And then add your succulents. And I recommend getting one from Walmart. This one is drooping, has that beautiful cascading effect. I add it in a corner and it cascades through all 3 drawers. Also, I found this candle at a Dollar Tree just the other day. And I want to add it at the top, but so it stays secure in place, I heat up a screw at the top of my stove and insert it at the bottom in the candle, just like so, and then goes easily in my moss. Stays in place, won't, tip over or anything. And then I just add different succulents here and there. Since it's covered with moss, you really don't need that many. Just create some cute interest there. And this piece is from Dollar Tree. It's a great piece because when you pull it apart, you have 3. And then just play around with the placement. See what looks good for you. Finally, you're gonna use these little fox stones or moss, whatever you have, to cover the shot glasses or any mechanics, any holes that you might have over there. And here's the look at the final result. I hope you like it as much as I do, because this is just my favorite piece. Can't you tell I have succulents on my mind today? I have these wall stickers from the Dollar Tree. I decided to apply them around my bench just for fun. Why not, you know? They're very easily removable, so look how cute. It just makes you want to play in here. What did I just say? I just turned around and my daughter is here with her friend playing with their beads already. You see? So cute. Makes my heart so happy when I see kids crafting. And look at Coco. She wants to get on the action as well. By the way, did you see my real succulents? I keep them out the door so I can enjoy them. I don't have that many varieties this year. I lost them over the winter time, but still so cute. I just remember I have the little frame that goes perfectly with the drawers. So I'm just adding a couple of the leftover stickers, and look how cute. I think it's such a nice coordinating piece, isn't it? And then at the end, I just want to show you some adorable pieces that I found at a Dollar Tree. This is my newest find, these plaques. I think I'm going to make a wreath down the road for my daughter out of these, but you know, they always have so many cute things, so just be on the lookout, especially if you're into this theme. I also found this one, this cute little jar. That was Dollar General, but still $1. So I put a cute little wall over here for myself on the side, and I think it's just so cute, makes my heart so happy. I didn't spend much for this at all. Everything's pretty much $1. Oh, by the way, that's my new calendar. I don't know if you've seen, Dollar Tree already has the new calendars for 2022. Be on the lookout because there's so many adorable pictures in it. You can frame or you can decoupage on those wooden plaques from the Dollar Tree and create some amazing art pieces. And look how many you get for $1. You can't go wrong with that. So be on the lookout, my besties.
Did you enjoy this video? I hope you did. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up button. That really helps me out. And also consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any of my future videos, okay? See you next time, my bestie. Take care. Bye-bye.